Nkwo olisa manzu. Anyanwụ na-agbala manzu. Iwe na-emele m iwe manzu, iwe na-emele iwe manzu. Aja na manzu. Oshimili manzu, anyanwụ na-agbala manzu. Ngena makene nzu akpụ manzu. Udo manzu. Ngwu manzu. Iwe anyị na-emele Igbo iwe. Asị m unu manzu. Eke manzu, oye manzu, abụ manzu, kwọ manzu. Chi anyị dị n'iche n'iche biko makene nzu. Mmiri anyị dị n'iche n'iche biko manzu. Ojije na mbata anyị manzu. Ndị fans m, my lovely fans and supporters of African Mariners and Ordinary Spirituality page. Asị m chi unu niile manzu. Nke onye na-eme ya gaziele. Nke m na-eme ya gaziele m. Iwe ọbụla iwe unu na-eme, whatever you people are doing to make ends meet, may be successful. Ojije na mbata anyị, ọ ya adịla anyị na mma, ya bụ ije mmiri na-abụrụ ije nkụ. Ọ bịa ga-egbu anyị gbuo onwe na ọ bụrụ ajọ ọgwụ. Atụmatụ ndị ilo niile na-esi anyị, ya bụrụ their portion. Anyị eje anyị ala, maka na eje ana bụ isi eje. Ekene m unu. Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ. Taa bụ Nkwọ. O nwere okwu anyị ji n'aka. Few days ago, I've been talking about Ogbange. Why I'm talking about Ogbange is because I had a very ugly experience with them. One of them broke our hearts and left. There is a very ugly situation that I experienced a few days back. Should I say last week? Ogbange is one you must be careful with. I have told you people how to avoid their shock. Because when they want to give you shock, they give you real shock. By first of all, when you give birth to a child, check who the child is. Now that apart, in this Ogbange thing you see, there is what we call EU. The way to break Ogbange is what I'm trying to tell you today. The way to separate them from those their mates, those their club. EU is the vow. I've talked about EU some time ago. EU is a vow of life. The vow people take before coming to existence to this planet is called EU. Every human being have EU, but some people own is tough, tougher than some people own. There are some people that their EU, especially the mariners. I'm making this video because of mariners. Many of you are Ogbange. Some of you are marine Ogbange. Some of you are earth Ogbange. These two sets of Ogbanges are tough. So I'm making this video so that you will check if you are one of them. Because for a truth, Ogbange them, they don't last up to 40 years. It is very rare, very, very rare for you to see an Ogbange that lasted up to 40 years. Their lifespan is within a year to 25 years to 30. They are already on their way. Check your children, those children you have given birth to. Makana agwo anaraga emu iwe tologonogo. The lion begots a lion. A snake begots a snake. A rat begots a rat. If you are a mariner, you are an Ogbange. Look for your seed, your vow of life. Enwe dibịa ndị na Chukwu okike nyere the gift ịdị na-abọ iyi ụwa. Ndị ada agba afa, ha ada achụ aja. They don't offer sacrifice, they don't do checking. They are fully gifted on iyi ụwa. There are very few of them in Igbo land. I don't know about other tribes, Yoruba, other tribes, I don't know. But in Igbo land, there are not that many, but they are available. We can sort for them. These people are specialized in detecting Iyowa. They specialize in detecting Ogbange. They specialize in digging the Iyowa out. Wherever you hide it, they will see it, they will find it. If you refuse to tell them, some are kind enough to tell you that this is where they buried it, but majority will never reveal it to you. So that is where the services of these DBS comes in. They will go there and dig it out. What we do with it is we don't throw it away. We serve it. They will put it in a white plate or in an oko, a calabash or oko. Then they will serve it. The items that normally comes with this Iyowa is the things that represent the life you want to live on earth. Mariners and the Ogbanges them always have Iyowa. All mariners have Iyowa. But it depends on what you have said that you will be in this earth. And it also depends if you are an Ogbange. So there are some that when you open the Iyowa, you see a stone. That stone is mostly the curse. You will get some will come with cowries. When you see cowries in your Iyowa, it means that you came into this life with wealth. If you see mirror in it, it means that you are a seer. You will do afa or you will do spirit work. You'll be a visionary, you'll be seeing things. If you see something like bead, it's either you are going to trade on beads, or you'll be making beads, or you like wearing them. If you see chain, it means that you have that love for jewelries. There are many things that you can see in it. There are times when you go to dig the Iyowa, when you get there, you see many. It means that these people came in group. This set of Ogbange, they were 4 or 5 that came at the same time, and they all buried their Iyowa together. So when you open some, you find out that the stone, instead of being white, is now dark. It means that those ones have gone back to their world. So what the Dibia will do is to pick your own and cover the rest there. If they don't remove that your Iyowa from wherever you are hiding it, some people hide their own in the river. Some hide their own under the Oha tree. Some hide their own under the cherry tree, Odara. Some hide their own under Ogirisi tree, some palm tree. Some hide their own in the cave. So they hide it in different places, strategic places. If it is not removed, the effect of not removing it is you cannot break the bond of these Ogbanges. But if you remove it from that place that they have buried it, the bond is broken. You follow up with the sacrifice. They will keep the Iyowa and sacrifice a hen to it. From time to time, you do that sacrifice. That will be calming their spirit down there. Okay? They will not be coming after you again because already you have broken the oath. But sacrifice will be given. You do not throw it away. You'll be able to live a long life if that thing has been brought to the surface of earth. You'll be able to fulfill that destiny that is in that you, or you will fulfill it. Because many of them come with good destiny. Many don't come with good destiny. Those ones that do not come with good destiny, they will now go and do what they call revow. There's a ritual for it. You go and change the word of your mouth. What you vowed into this life, you go and do a revow. And you follow it up with rituals. Then when you do that, you will live long life. But you will also tell your family members that on your demise, those items should be returned to the river. Immediately they finish burying you, they should take those items with those calabash and go to the river. Taking it to the river, they will go with a chick. They will first of all get an egg, get palm front or omu. I cannot plug it, but I have a lot of omu here. Omu, that new palm front in the middle of palm tree. They will bring it and collect one, and tie it to the leg of the chick, and use it to carry the ewe straight to the river. Any flowing river that have good current, you take it there and tell the ewe that your owner have gone to the great beyond. Today, we are sending you there to go and meet your owner. Please do not see us as our enemies, but because you don't belong to us, your owner has passed. So please go and meet your owner so that you can become one. You put it in the river, turn your back and go. So this is what you have to know. I want you to know about Iyowa and how to save your Ogbange child, your Ogbange son, your Ogbange daughter, or even you yourself that is an Ogbange that is still between the age of 20s. Look for your Iyowa. Because you put on a long life. Ordinary mariners, if you want to fulfill your destiny, get your Iyowa out so that you don't live your life and die without fulfillment. Look for it. Anyhow, just look for it. Look for your Iyowa. Bring it out. Except you are told that either there are some people, either they bring it out or they not bring it out, they will so fulfill. But to be on the safe side, that's why I say, if you look your life as a mariner, things are not going well, please look for your Iyowa. Once you look at your life that you have done everything you're supposed to do, but things are not still working the way you want it to be working, look for your Iyowa. Serve your Iyowa, and you'll see that life will start working well for you. I greet you all. May today be a blessing unto us. May we seek and find whatever we lay our hand on, may we get it. So be it. Ise, Yagaziano.